Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pumpkin chocolate chip loaf cake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to place your butter and light brown sugar into a mixing bowl and mix together until it's lighter and fluffy in colour and consistency. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then go ahead and add in your egg and mix on a medium-high speed until the egg has been fully incorporated. You may find the mixture splits or looks split, just mix until it's not. Then add in your pumpkin in around 2 or 3 additions. This will definitely make the mixture look split or curdled, and it's completely normal due to the amount of moisture that is in the pumpkin. But don't worry, we're going to add even more by adding banana and some vanilla extract. Then you can give the bowl a really good scraping down, and yes, it is completely curdled or split, whichever. It doesn't look great, but don't worry, this will be alleviated. Then add in your dry ingredients. You can pass them through a sieve first if you want to, but there's no need. Then add in your chocolate chips and fold your dry ingredients in until the mixture is very, it's consistent. There's no trace of a single ingredient. Everything is well combined, and that's what you're looking for. You can then go ahead and grab a loaf tin or pan which has been lined with some parchment paper and add in your batter into that. Spread and level it out as best as you can. You can create a little dip in the middle as it will rise from the middle and rise perfectly consistently. As you can tell, I've got a little divot in the middle. That's what I do. And then just before it goes into the oven, you'll want to sprinkle over some chocolate chips, the same ones that you folded in, but just a few on top to add more of that chocolate element. So once the loaf has been baked, allow it to fully cool before you attempt to slice this up. I made this on one day and cut it up the same day because it just smelled so good. You've got the banana, you've got the pumpkin, you've got the spices, it just smells so good. And as you can tell, it's not a perfectly light and fluffy cake, but it's perfect for this time of year. It's not heavy and dense, but it's like a banana loaf, but with pumpkin and spices. It's really good. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.